Hello and happy holidays, everybody. We'll take a brief look at BTC and Ethereum to see what we can expect over this holiday weekend. You would think, yeah, low volume, probably not a lot of action, but we have had some holiday weekends in the past where there have been actually some pretty significant moves. Whoever the degenerates are that are still trading over the holidays, whoever they may be, they do at times instigate some moves. And with this degree of consolidation that we've had here, thin order books over the holiday weekend, I wouldn't be surprised if we saw some big moves, some big scam wicks, either to the up or to the downside. As we know, as we were here, I was saying that there was quite a bit of positive delta building up in the market, which I posted in the Discord and said I wouldn't be surprised if we got a sweep of the lows here. We did just that, and I was live streaming and doing an update on Ethereum when this was happening, and I pulled up the BTC chart and said, this would make for a really nice deviation of this trend line here, and we get back up. We did exactly that, got right back up here, just barely front ran the 618, perfect. And then the PCE data from this morning, not surprising what happened. We took out the lows and took out the highs of our range here. It was just, a liquidity grab, and now we're just simply back to going sideways. Now, what I do like to see here is that we are holding this SR flip zone. We deviated it, and we have since been holding it. We wicked down, and we are still holding it on a 4-hour time frame here. So, to me, I still feel like, delta, there is some positive delta building up in this range, but overall, I don't think it's high enough yet that we would have to be worried that, yeah, we're probably going to see a move down. I still would like to see that move up at the very least to this first pocket of liquidity, and then ideally, up to this H4 order block with this area of liquidity up here as well. And then doing some evaluation to see if, do we have bearish divergences? Do we see some kind of a pattern or a short setup there? And if we do, we'll take the trade and look lower. And for me personally, when I look at this chart, it we'll have to take it level by level, but it seems clear to me that we do have like these lows here, and we are looking to have them taken out. And I think it would be really cool to see something of a move up here, come back down, take out this low, kind of consolidate to the upside, come down here. And when we get to this zone, this, in my opinion, would be a good place for people to think, okay, we're going to go to the doomsday. It's going to go much lower. We trap a lot of shorts here, and then we have a really great bounce, reclaim, and continuation to the upside. At the very least, getting back to this mid-range, I think it would make for a nice trap. So I'm definitely going to look for some degree of a long trade here, which may seem counterintuitive, right? Because you'd think, oh, we're going to go much, much lower. But I also think it's a really nice opportunity to trap shorts. So that is something to keep in mind. Taking a look at Ethereum, again, this played out really, really nice. So and we can take a look at what I drew out here. I was saying that it would be really nice to form a rising wedge here, get this sort of move up to the upside, back down, and so on and so forth. And we can see that we actually are starting to form that rising wedge formation that I had talked about. And of course, my drawings were a little bit off. We didn't get quite to that level that I wanted to. So we'll go ahead and I'm just going to hide this. So again, I think what would be really nice to see, similarly to BTC, is, possibly consolidate here, get our move up, grab this area of liquidity here, consolidate more, get another move up that takes out this high, maybe even above, that gives us some degree of bearish divergence, and then, come down and take out all of these lower highs, with then a move down. And again, we can take that level by level. But I would expect for that move to get down to the weekly, most likely, when and if it does happen. Okay. So yeah, like I said, I would just enjoy your weekend, guys. Have alerts set, have stop losses set. So in the event that something does happen, if we do get some degree of a major wick to the upside or whatever it might be, you're prepared. I do have stop losses set on my long. I have stop losses set on my shorts. Just in case something happens, I don't want to, be 3 sheets to the wind, then have to, run to the charts and start doing some trading. With that said, do keep in mind, thin order books, we could, see something happen over the weekend, and either to the upside or to the downside, being thin order books and whoever might be looking to trade it. So Anyway, enjoy your weekend, guys. Like I said, I will be back on Monday or Tuesday with another market update.